This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor. On Wednesday, August 26th, NVIDIA has reported, and we'll cover a little bit of that and the breathless markets with a D. NVIDIA beat across the board, but will it be enough? Does it even matter when we're all in with our 401k, SPY, TQQ, pension funds? Everyone's in. Does it really matter if they beat or not? They're just going to say it's rosy and boost the stock. We shall see. I did want to reiterate, there has been a loose pattern where NVIDIA, after earnings, will gyrate a little bit, allow option sellers, both call and put sellers, to make a killing, and it won't move that much in the first 1 or 2 days, and then eventually it'll start to rise, and then after X dividend, it will start to pull back. So that's been a common recurring pattern. Let's see if we see that continued. I don't understand how in the world Wall Street will allow AI and NVIDIA to fail. It's akin to letting the dollar fail. How are they going to ever allow NVIDIA to fail? It's like if the dollar crashed and your Chick-fil-A became $50 for a meal to feed one person. Or if gas was $100 a gallon, right? They're not going to let that happen. So we'll see what happens with NVIDIA and their earnings and future forecasts. I thought it was pretty light, relatively speaking to their previous, but I'm sure they're going to quote, adoption and every single human being on earth using AI, and we don't need to charge as much fat profits because everyone and their babies and their dog is using it. Jevons paradox, etc., etc. But we'll see. I do want you to watch the semiconductor index. That index, which is AI and the semiconductors, is underneath the 50. It is underneath major support levels of 12,000. So you want to see if we're going to go back test the 50-day moving average above and fail or break through, or if in the next 10 days leading up to NVIDIA's dividend date, do we start to sell off and go visit the 200-day moving average below? That's kind of macro level what you should be watching for. Volume. Again, putrid. Yesterday was bad. Today was just as bad. 27 million shares traded on the SPY. That's 2 consecutive sessions with roughly half the normal SPY volume. Let's keep going. Breadth. 113 new highs, 98 new lows, 41% advance versus 54% declined, 47% below the 50, 46% below the 200. There are only 6 profitable companies in the NASDAQ making new session highs. Let's go cover those. Energy, Plains, All American. Energy, Plains, GP. Communication Services, News Corp. Healthcare, Illumina. Expedia, Consumer Cyclical.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not your advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.